Hi everybody, welcome back. It is currently Wednesday before the Gambler. We're leaving very early Saturday morning. I'm not done. I'm going to be painting the snorkel. And what I'm doing today is we are going to get the two bumpers started. I'm going to first start on the front because I think it's harder. So I'll do the harder one first, make the easy one that much easier, I guess. So I'm gonna back this out a little bit so I have a little more room to work, and we'll get going. Okay, I'll show you what we got going on here. I just have a couple pieces of 1.5 inch black pipe. I also have some 1 inch up there in case I want to do something smaller attached to the bumpers. This is my Harbor Freight pipe bender. I used it on another project a while back. Seemed to work pretty good. I did realize that these rollers right here, I don't know if you guys can see those, they don't really roll. If you take a piece of scrap pipe that fits on the outside of that and put it right on where those rollers are, it'll prevent from denting the pipes. I actually dented the blast pipe I did. So got my handy dandy trustworthy Harbor Freight jack stands there, and I'm just going to put a bend in the middle of this, set it up on there, kind of get where I'm going with it, and we'll just keep working. Okay guys, I would suggest not using a full piece of pipe, but just cut a piece of pipe in half so you don't end up with this problem. So just cut that with a wheel and get it off of there, and then I'll just use a half a piece. Alright everybody, I got some housekeeping here to do. I got some things I need to cross off here. The roof rack is done. Snorkel done, not painted. Wait, paint. Roof lights, they're on, but they need wired. We are 25% done with that. That's no big deal. That'll get done with the bumpers. Shifter's loose, it needs fixed. Has developed a coolant leak. And I need to throw the muffler on there. And it is Thursday before the Gambler, which is on Saturday at 9 a.m. 2.5 hours south of here. So I gotta get to work. Hey everybody, I just got a delivery today and I wanted to share it with you. Alright, my tires came today and man, they look bigger than I thought. I'm gonna get them unstrapped here and set one up to the car, see what it looks like. Okay, I got to looking again, guys. It's really small, but let's see. Right there. Rotation. They're definitely rotational, and it was the way I thought. Facing just like that. So I'll make sure I point that out to the boys when I take them in to get them mounted. Guys, I want to show you just how close that tire was to that spring cup. There you go. There's a little bit of evidence of rubbing. It's absolutely the biggest tire you could go with without trimming anything. You can see there's a little bit of rubbing there. That's why I decided to go without the wheel spacers. As you can see, they tucked in real nice. It actually looks really good like this. And then there you go, you can see it from the back. Right there. Alright, and there's the back bumper. Turned out pretty good. There's the muffler. If anybody can guess what that's off of, put it in the comments. Doesn't sound too bad. Show you in just a second. There's a closer look at the front bumper. Comes around, got supports underneath. Again, I think it turned out pretty good. Original lights that were mounted in the bumper, mounted underneath. coolant leak. This is the clamp that goes right there. It's in two pieces. So I just happened to be at the store today. We'll get that sorted out real quick. Okay, we've been busy. Snorkel's done, painted, completed. The bumpers both done, installed. So the flag mounts, coolant leak, muffler. Looks like we just need to wire the roof lights, wire the roof lights and fix the shifter. And it's done. All right, guys, we're gonna go over the budget now. The final budget, the silver car, which is this car, got for $200. We bought the blue car, which was the donor car, for the door and the rocker panel and the rear axle. That was $150. And then if you remember back from one of the previous videos, it wasn't running very good, so I put new fuel injectors and a fuel pressure regulator in. That was $70. And then we did oil and filter, $25. And we had to put new brake shoes on it and fix the leaky brake lines. So rear brakes, $100. Sweet ass rims, free. Snorkel, it cost about $100 to build. Miscellaneous steel is $20. And I built the roof rack for $25. And on the bumpers, I used $40 worth of black pipe. Tires, most expensive of the whole thing was $380. That was the tires with the mounting and balancing and everything. I'm going to throw in a miscellaneous amount, $50. Let's add that all up, guys. 200 plus 150 plus 70 and 25 and 100. 100 plus 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 380, ouch, plus 50, 1160. All right. I was trying to hit $1,000 on this. But wait, the good news is the blue car, we scrapped it. And we got $112.50 for it. And then we found some miscellaneous coins in the car at $1.46. Okay, so we take our $11.60 minus $112.50 minus the 1.46. That equals $1,046.04. That's as close as I can get for the budget. I didn't keep a spreadsheet or anything, but that's where we ended up. All right, everybody, it is 10:30 Friday night. Tomorrow morning is the Gambler 500 Detroit. I have to leave here at 5:30 in the morning, picking up my one friend, Jose. 5:45, planning on picking up my other friend, Wayne, at 6. Car, there. Done as it's going to be. Pretty much got everything done we wanted. Bumpers are on, snorkel, light bar, suitcases, a few other things. Hey guys, if you stuck around to the end, which I really appreciate, the next video on this car will be from the Gambler event. Again, it's just gonna be kind of like a montage type of video. It's not gonna be a lot of commentary on. Hey guys, if you stuck around to the end, which I really appreciate, the next video on this car will be from the Gambler event. Again, it's just gonna be kind of like a montage type of video. There's not gonna be a lot of commentary on that. But we had a lot of fun. Car ran great. Everything was good. So if you have not had a chance to subscribe, I would appreciate it if you do that. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. But if you don't like it, give me a comment on what I can do to improve it for you guys. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks. And remember, if you're going to be good at breaking stuff, you better be good at fixing stuff.